Energy is essential to a modern lifestyle. With an increasing focus on sustainability, renewable energy sources such as wind have never been so important. However, the wind is highly variable and unpredictable, making it very challenging to always balance electricity supply with demand and avoid blackouts. This is why being able to predict how much power a wind farm will be producing 5 minutes in the future is extremely valuable. Hold on! What if we could increase the accuracy of short-term forecast by looking at conditions ahead of the wind farm? To do that, we use an atmospheric LiDAR, which is an instrument that can measure wind conditions up to 15 kilometers away. By combining LiDAR measurements with deep learning methods, our research shows we can improve prediction by up to 19% compared to industry benchmarks. With the help of accurate short-term forecasts, we can mitigate greenhouse gas emissions by making wind energy a more controllable resource.